This is Herbert Harris, author of the 12 Universal Laws of Success, welcoming you to another Thoughts for Success presentation. The topic for tonight is the truth about success. Success is generally defined as a favorable or satisfactory outcome or result. Whatever you do in life, you get results. Whether or not those results are the ones you desired determines whether you succeeded or failed in your endeavors. Success is often described as the gaining of wealth, fame, or money. However, in more general terms, success is the continuous realization of the outcomes or results you desire. On the physical level, success is often defined as specific material accomplishments, a particular car, a house, or income level. However, once the car, house, or other material possessions are obtained, there's no further growth in understanding, wisdom, or consciousness. Those who operate on the material level of success generally become consumed with maintaining those possessions that represent their success. When success is understood on a spiritual level, it is seen as a progressive realization of your worthwhile purpose. You continue to grow and develop in all aspects. On a spiritual level, success is the continuous unfolding of your purpose and your destiny. True success is the progressive, continuous effort of attaining your goals and realizing your vision. This guides you to your worthwhile purpose in life. There are 4 aspects of success. Number 1, success must be in your mind first. The Bible says, as a man thinketh in his heart, so is he. Constantly have a concept and vision of what success means to you in your mind. Earl Nightingale said it very nicely. You become what you think about most of the time. Number 2, be constant in your efforts. Never take a break from your success journey. Don't stop for rest and reward too soon. When you stop at the first sign of success, you become lazy, stagnant, and begin to decline. As your efforts begin to produce rewards and results, work even harder. Success and achievement come only through continuous work. The only place that success comes before work is in the dictionary. Number 3, get away from the crowd at the bottom. One of the most difficult steps that you will face on your success journey is getting away from the crowd at the bottom. There are many unsuccessful, mediocre people who are nice people, but who have failed to realize or act on their true potential. If you constantly associate with them, your success journey will be short-lived. You must clear the deck and make room for new associations who will complement and enhance your success efforts. Once you break away from the mediocre crowd at the bottom, accept the temporary state of loneliness and prepare for your success. And finally, number 4, be willing to change your life completely. Make your life congruent with and consistent with and harmonic with your desired success. Is there anything in the way you feel about yourself or the way you think that will frustrate your success efforts? If so, handle it immediately. Do whatever it takes, for as long as it takes, to become the person you want to be, to accomplish your goals, and realize your vision. And most of all, say to yourself, every day, in every way, I am getting better and better. This is Herbert Harris, author of the 12 Universal Laws of Success, sharing a thought for success. Our next topic is 9 rules for achieving success. Have a great, prosperous day.